Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this tray I got from Dollar Tree. I paint the entire front of the tray or top of the tray with Plaster colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. The center of that tray part will be covered, but I didn't want there to be any of that metal showing through if there was any gaps in the craft sticks I'm placing down. The craft sticks are giant craft sticks that I got from Walmart. I used whisker shears to cut the craft stick down, and once I had one of them the length I needed to fit inside that tray, I just used that one as my guide to cut the rest. The very last one, it was too wide, so I did cut it, the length of it on either end, and then just kind of bent it back and forth and cut it and sanded it until it was the right size. I took all the cut down craft sticks and brushed on antique wax by Waverly and then blended them in with a baby wipe. I did the tops and sides of them. After those were done and dry, I hot glued them into place in the center of the tray. Next, I'm taking these small candy jars. They're also from Dollar Tree, and I paint the outsides of them with that Plaster colored chalk paint as well, giving them full coverage. After those are dry, I'm taking these clear stamps and stamp block, both from Dollar Tree as well, and I placed one down on the stamp block and then pressed on some ink from the ink pad and pressed that on one side of one of the candy jars. I then did the same thing to the other one, just using a different flower. Next, I take some twine and wrap that around the top of the candy jars and make a knot in the front, leaving the tails a little bit hanging down. And then after I have them knotted into place, I do take some hot glue and kind of just glue those so they fall to the side so they're not covering the flower stamp. Next, I take Gorilla Grip glue as well as hot glue and place that on the backs of those candy jars opposite the side of the stamps, and then glue it down to the tray. And make sure to leave enough spacing between the jars so I can fit some florals or greenery in each of them. And then the last thing I do is add in some greenery. These are eucalyptus picks that I got from Walmart. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.